With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here question says if our function f is defined from n to n is given by f of x is equals to x plus 1 by 2 when x is odd, or it is x by 2 when x is even, and g is defined is such that n to n is given by g of x is equals to x minus 1 to the power x, then our f of gx, this is the composition function, is 1 1 and onto, many 1 and onto, 1 1 and not onto, neither 1 1 not onto. So we will start here with that our function g of x is given as x minus 1 to the power x. So we will see if our x is odd, then we can see if x is odd then it will be minus 1, so our function g of x is x plus 1. When our x is even, then we can say that it is x minus 1, because on doing the even power it will be positive 1 and it will be x minus 1. Now the function f of x is, it is x plus 1 by 2 when x is odd, and it is x by 2 when x is even. So we will now discuss for the function f of gx. So our f of gx is what? So here we will do for odd number and even number. So if our x is odd and here if our x is even, then what happens? So let our x equals to 1, then g of x will be here. From the function g of x we can say that if our x is odd then it will be x plus 1. So we can write from here it will be x plus 1, but we have let that our x is, as x value of x is 1, so it will be 2. Now value of f of g of 1 will be, we can see that the 2 is the even. So g of 1, well, it is the value of g of 1. So g of 1 is even, so we can say that when our function, the value of this is even, then it is x by 2. So from here we can write it is g of 1 by 2 and it is 2 by 2, that is equals to 1. Now when x is even, let x equals to 2. So here g of x is equals to x minus 1. From the function we can say that when x is even it is x minus 1. So when our value x is equals to 2, then it is 2 minus 1, and from we can write g of 2 is equals to 1, that is the odd value. So we will find the value of f of g of 2. So value of function of f when it is odd is x plus 1 by 2, and it will be g of 2 plus 1 by 2. We can see that value of g of 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 2, that is 1. So from here we get on our x equals to 1 we get the value 1, and at x equals to 2 we get the value of 1. So f of g of 1 is equals to 1 and f of g of 2 is the again 1. So here our value x1 and x2 doesn't equal. It means 1 doesn't equals to 2, but our f of g of 1 is equals to f of g of 2. So from here we can say that our function f of g of x is many 1. Now we will check for the onto. So for onto, here we can see f of g of x. We are checking the onto property. From here again we will do for x is odd and x is even. So let assume x equals to 2n plus 1. So g of x, we know that on here our 2n plus 1 is odd, we can see easily. So on odd, our function it is x plus 1. So from here we can write it is x plus 1. So value of g of 2n plus 1 will be 2n plus 1 plus 1. It is 2n plus 2. So now the value of f of g of 2n plus 1. Here we can see that g of 2n plus 1 is even, and on even f of x is our x by 2. So it is g of 2n plus 1 by 2. That is 2n plus 2 by 2, and it is n plus 1. Okay, now we will check for x equals to even. Let x equals to 2n. We can say that it is the even value. So g of x for even is x minus 1, and g of on 2n it is 2n minus 1. We can see that it is odd value. Now the value of f of g of 2n is x plus 1 by 2, that is g of 2n plus 1 by 2, and it is 2n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, again it is n. So we can see that here from here we can see that it contains the whole natural number n, that is our codomain. We can see that our range is natural number n, that is our codomain. So we can say that our function f of gx is onto. So here in this our function f of gx is many-one and onto. So option B is the correct option. The function f of gx is many-one and onto. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.